we have Pratham on stage.
Good afternoon. My topic is food preservatives in McDonald's. The number of food preservatives in McDonald's is a secret, burgers and chicken nuggets. This preservative prevents food for months without spoiling the food, which is a heartening result because healthy food gets spoiled within a day or two. So what if we preserve food? Know the preservatives used in McDonald's before you take an next big bite. TBHQ. TBHQ is used for unsaturated oil and helps in frying McDonald's food. This preservative prevents food from getting rancid. Consumption of TBHQ, 1 gram of TBHQ causes ringing ears and vomiting. Consumption of 5 grams of TBHQ is enough to kill human beings. TBHQ can even cause resistance. BHA and BHT are cancer-causing in nature. These preservatives are responsible for high cases of asthma and child allergies. McDonald's is high in sodium, beyond acceptable limit, which can cause serious problems for patients for high blood pressure. Salts, sensitive people should also be away from it because it can worsen allergies. Preservative used in McDonald's natural salt for maintaining the color and reducing the foam while frying. If you think grabbing a coffee in McDonald's would be safer, think again because there are many chemicals present. The list is beyond your imagination. Preservatives used in McDonald's crispy chicken breast fillings is dimethyl polysilicate and sodium phosphates. These chemicals are used the ingredients of detergent in dishwasher. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratham. Now we have Mohan on stage.
I know that class 10B is going to speak on the shelf life of McDonald's food stuff. The shelf life of McDonald's food stuff is like food stuff, hamburger, french fries and chicken are like all foods and good if kept under certain conditions. The microbes that cause vomiting are like ulcers and they keep on and if they cause form, essentially the microbes that cause vomiting are like ulcers in that they need water, warmth, nutrients and time to grow. If you take one of these elements away, then microbes cannot grow or spoil food. In the example of a McDonald's hamburger, the bun is made out of bread. While preparation the hamburger is this means that after the preparation the hamburger is fairly dry. This verifies that the McDonald's is undecayed. The company McDonald's, the McDonald's is undecayed of these hamburgers. It is a fact that there was about 40 years old hamburger and it's edible. This states that the fast foods are caused by have a lot of preservatives and chemicals which makes them not to be noted. The burger on my left side is of 2008 and the burger on the right side is of 1996. And they both are still edible. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohan. Now we have Vivek to talk about technology.
Today I want to talk about the consumption of food and some facts about McDonald's. McDonald's has sold over 100 million hamburgers. It serves about more than McDonald's in Great Britain alone. McDonald's has globally sold more than 9 million pounds of French fries. McDonald's Corporation sells over 1 million stock of coffee each year. McDonald's opens a new restaurant in every 4 hours. McDonald's is the nation's largest purchaser of beef, pork and potatoes. It is the second largest purchaser of chicken. McDonald's company earns most of its profit by not selling the food but by collecting the rent. The smallest McDonald's restaurant is only 492 square feet and is located in Tokyo, Japan. And the world's largest McDonald's is 28,000 square feet and is located in Beijing. The original McDonald's menu did not offer French fries. There are more than 35,429 McDonald's all over the world. The largest building, Kuala Lumpur Tower in Malaysia, houses a McDonald's restaurant. McDonald's calls people who eat a lot of their food as heavy users. William Scott was the first Ronald McDonald. He was fired for being too fat. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek. Now we have Aditya from the marketing.
Good morning. Good morning. Today I'll be talking about McDonald's marketing strategies. So, as we all know, McDonald's is a very well company based in the fast food industry. They generally market themselves or advertise themselves over TVs and radios. They also use big billboards and board signs where generally the density of people is high all on the main roads. So people watch it and they get attracted. Also, McDonald's also sponsors sporting events ranging from small leagues to big events such as FIFA World Cup and the Olympics. McDonald's also have very famous slogans. The slogans differ from region to region as the languages differ from each country, and so they're different in different regions. Sometimes McDonald's slogans have also gone viral and they have caused problems for the company. When you talk about region and religion, let's come to India. McDonald's started McDonald's services in India in 1996. They had to go through a huge planning. They had to plan and strategize themselves as India has very religious taboos. So they had to do some stuff like they had to remove beef off their hamburgers and put in chicken and mutton. Also, they had to bring in local favorites such as the Mac Marble Tikki and the Mac Maharaja. Also, they advertise themselves as a company which serves good food and they sell at a reasonable price. I would like to call that strategy as high consumption and low price. Thank you. I would also like to thank Lee for helping me with this speech.
Now we have Shubham for the
Good morning to everyone. Today I am of class 10B going to tell about packaging of McDonald's. Packaging of McDonald's is globally inspired by scorecard tool called EcoFilter, which helps in decision making of McDonald's packaging and taking the environment in mind. McDonald's has changed its packaging every 4 months, and it has also taken renewable resources as its packaging. McDonald's work with suppliers for globally inspired globally solution to transit to a plastic material called CPP. CPP is the CPP package delivers the same consumer experience while using 20% less material. McDonald's is an integral member of several stakeholder collaborations such as Sustainable Packaging Coalition. Thank you.
you, Shubham. Well, everyone eats Lays and we have 10 here to tell us about Frito-Lay.